I'm in here using some Gorilla Tape to protect the bottom of my kayak. I'm using 3 layers down the kayak, and you can see how it's, you gotta kind of press it in. Make sure you clean the surface really good before you do any of this. That will really help it stick a lot better. And you need to do multiple layers. I did 3, and that worked pretty good. The only problem I had was at a couple boat ramps. There was some really rough ramps. You know, the aggregate was really showing through, and it was really pointy almost, and it actually caught a hold of the fibers in the Gorilla Tape and kind of stripped parts of it off. But it did protect the bottom of my kayak. I can't say that it didn't. Here I am heating up some Kydex to protect the nose, because I always nose into these kayaks and wear that down, or nose into the ramps and always wear it down in the front. And I used a heat gun to warm up the Kydex, and I would probably recommend finding a cheap or used or some type of toaster oven to put it in and warm the sheet up fully first, and then put it on and apply it, and then use the heat gun to help move around the parts that you need to move around. Because using the heat gun for this just took a while. I'm not even showing you hardly any of the time I spent just heating up this plastic with the heat gun. I just think it'd be easier with the toaster oven. And here I am fine-tuning it, putting it on. I use double-sided 3M extreme sticky tape. Take your time doing this. You're going to want to wear gloves and have a rag handy, because it is hot. You know, to get this thing to form, it needs to be really, really warm. And here we are putting it on for the final time. 3M, and just knocking it down on the 3M tape. That seems to have done the trick. It's come off once since then, but it's kind of my fault. I caught the nose on it, and I was unloading it and caught the edge of the plastic, and I pulled it off. And here I am just putting my final couple layers of Gorilla Tape on to protect. Now again, that stuff didn't work the greatest for me, because some of it got ripped off at a boat ramp. But if you're using this more like in just floating down the river and trying to avoid some scratches on the bottom, I think it looks really good for that. Here we go. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Take care now.